know what the fuck is gonna happen.
Who are you?
Wait a minute.
Let's jump.
Wait. Going back to 24-hour handcuff challenge.
I drive with one hand regardless.
Damn.
You know I could just like
Go ahead, do it.
So hard.
Do it. Yank it. I want you to yank it. It's blue ski and green ski again. Everything you guys have been asking for. Did you miss me? Do you miss me? Oh, look at him, guys. He still loves me. I knew it. Give him the door. Ouch!
Set a roach right there and you just put.
Again?
What's good, Husky family? Not holding out this time. I'm tired.
Y'all, we got something special for y'all.
We got something crazy. You gotta start a fire.
On here. Can you
That
guys
shit.
guess?
Wait,
Yeah.
they always trying to guess something. Why we always got them guessing?
Well, because
Bumper guess.
life is better that way. When you gotta guess. Who wants to know what the fuck is
Who's
gonna
this
happen?
guy?
Who are you?
Wait a minute.
Let's
Ooh.
jump.
Wait, I was not going there. Wait, what? Wait, bro, look, come here.
Y'all, look who we got.
Bring it in. Give them a hug, bro. They missed you, bro. Give them a hug, bro.
I mean,
What?
no,
They take it
Oh,
back.
he friend-zoned y'all. Oh my God. Bro, we got a little bit of a nostalgic feeling today. We're going back to the roots. We're going back to 24-hour handcuff challenge.
At first, I was gonna say me and Nye get handcuffed together because that's better.
Oh yeah,
that
video would be better.
That would be better, but we stuck. So look, what we gonna do is, I feel like you should be handcuffed to Fred, and then I'll be handcuffed to Zach.
Yeah.
Now, how about me and Fred handcuff to each other, and then y'all handcuff to each other?
That's not gonna be a challenge.
All right, how about I do it to your edges? Loop my handcuff to your edges.
We should
and then yank
handcuff
your wig
our
off.
Ask me what?
Yeah, ask me
Are you
what.
excited? Do you feel like this is gonna be a challenge for you?
This is gonna be a very big challenge. Black Ski already get on my nerves, period. So 24 hours stuck onto him is gonna be a real big challenge.
I feel like a Sunday.
Must be
sunbathe.
nice to be able to do that.
How does it feel?
Sunbathe?
it's hot outside,
I know I can't do
but
that either.
Gonna get this content, you feel me?
Wait, don't stop.
Do I get a key?
Don't ask me
No,
questions, 'cause
wait,
I don't do
it come with a
paparazzi.
key,
No, you don't
right?
get no key.
Wait,
No paparazzi.
give me the wait.
Nigga,
a key.
you could just press the button on the back and it comes off.
Oh.
Come on now, these $5 handcuffs.
It does
Thought
come with a
these
key
was
though.
fire.
These
Yeah,
are
it
not
does- it comes with a key, but
But yeah, you can
These
like
are
really
not
just
$5 handcuffs. Don't let him lie to you guys. We
How
paid
much are they?
$150 for
okay.
these handcuffs.
So these better be the real deal.
And they
Yeah,
sponsored.
the keys are here.
This week went to the
Whoa.
police station and asked
Yeah,
for
they
handcuffs.
heavy and everything. Like,
Yeah.
Are we doing it now? We starting now?
yeah, we handcuffed. We need to start. It's unless you trying to do 24 more hours.
I forgot that we did this. I don't
Let's
remember
do
this
48
feeling.
hours.
Yeah.
Handcuff on my hand.
That day was.
No, I am right-handed. I use my right hand.
Wait.
I feel like
It's
I'll
supposed
be
to be a
But
challenge.
You're doing it on my right hand.
Nah.
So this is still your left hand. What are you
Yeah.
doing?
I know. I'm right-handed.
Bruh. He stuck it onto my right
Bruh,
hand,
why
so
you
anything,
turning
Nah,
it?
that don't
Ah.
even make sense.
anything I do, if I hold my phone, if I want to write something, he gonna be pulling my arm away. at
Stop! Ow!
Wait, get this on camera.
Look, I have a cut right here.
every- Ooh, good.
Oh, shit.
Right, y'all.
Ooh. Oh, damn.
You got
Shit.
you can loosen it. It's right there.
Oh, where?
Y'all have the key. Where's the key? Y'all have
I have the key, but the lever is right there.
Yeah.
Can you do it for me?
Go
Oh
down,
my
not up.
God.
Nah, you was going up.
I don't know, y'all. I've never been to jail before. Not yet.
I hope you don't, cause
Nah, if you went to jail, they would take all your money.
You think so?
Yeah,
Yeah, your commissary.
Yeah, they're gonna take everything.
You would not be
You're
able to
just-
have no
You
little
just go
snacks.
over.
No
They be like,
What?
hey, you give me that, and I'll give you all this, and he's just gonna do it. And I don't even know. I don't know.
No.
Somehow your money, they're just gonna get you.
They're not gonna get me.
they definitely will.
They definitely
It's okay
won't.
now.
They definitely will.
No, Nigel had the most.
All right, check out our bracelets, guys. Check out the bling. The bling
Yes, sir.
bling. Oh my
Iced out.
God, we iced out. All right, now wait, how are we supposed to?
This is the best
How are we supposed to
bracelet I've
drive?
ever had in my life.
This actually.
Oh,
is
we
not-
did this before.
Yeah, we did do this before, but maybe we had hoodies on because I don't remember this like feeling like this. Are these my wrist?
Maybe
got
it's
bigger?
too tight for you because it doesn't hurt that much right now.
Oh,
All right, let's go to the mall then.
the mall.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ow.
Bro, you could have did that way better,
It's
bro.
peep. I'm gonna go on your booty crack.
It's okay, yeah.
Nigga, it's okay.
Yeah.
Get the handcuffs off because I can't drive enough as it is.
Yes, I can drive. Guys, this is a challenge or what?
Okay, yeah,
What
I'm
is
sorry.
this?
I'm sorry.
This is a challenge.
I'm sorry. Damn.
They appealed it.
I never seen you so
doing-
dedicated to the content. Jeez.
All right, so that means we're driving the whole way.
You're driving the whole way.
Oh, where are we going again?
We going
Never.
International,
That's where
international.
we always go.
International Plaza.
Let me put my seatbelt on.
This is too easy. I think you should do it with the handcuffs behind y'all back.
You're right.
Hell no. You already can't drive.
That's what I said.
You
Go,
know, get there by now,
skis.
bro.
Go, 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 go.
Listen,
Go,
yeah.
go, 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 go. Guys, this is actually easy. This is not a challenge. I literally could. I drive with one hand regardless.
I mean, so
You haven't even got out though.
Let's see if she feels the same later on in the video.
all right, so you got to drive with no hands. Then let's turn it up a notch.
Get out.
That's the real
Stop,
challenge.
Ray. Copyright.
Telepathically doing this shit. So honestly, this isn't a challenge, and I would love to listen to music. I'm still gonna stay handcuffed throughout this whole time.
Okay, so we're just gonna pause the video real quick until we get to the mall. Bye. Hey guys, we're at the YouTube video on Nice Cheating. I just wanted to catch her off guard and.
I'm just kidding.
Okay, guys, we just got here and Nye and Fred are still handcuffed, and so are we. I have a cut on my arm. No. Get out of the car. Hold on. Hold on, I got the book bag on my lap, and I have the phone in my other hand. Can you slow down?
I ain't even moving. What do you mean?
You yanking my
Just get your
arm.
ass up.
Don't cuss at me on YouTube. Stop.
It was already closed.
How do I know? Never
Trying
could
to
be
make
too.
it harder for me. Look at you holding your arm up like this, so it's hard for me.
Everything's gonna be hard. So how do you feel about today?
I feel like this is gonna be a long ass day. I feel like y'all should get this video to 5,000 likes and like let me see, like 400 comments.
Yeah, 400 comments. If you're watching this premiere right now, just spam the comments for us. We're gonna be in the live premiere watching too.
Cause look at this.
Not Greensky though. She's never in the live premieres.
No fucking way.
Did you just get $1 million?
Are you serious?
What?
She's pregnant. Why is everybody getting pregnant?
Who's pregnant?
This girl. Oh my god.
Oh my
All
god!
right, hold on. Let's get back to
Ow! Hold on, guys.
You just boosted her ego.
Not for her to twist like that.
Hey, just compliment her, then hate on her.
I'm not. I'm just saying, like it's just like you said. Oh damn, your hair cute.
Really?
Like I started
You think so?
doing the most.
You think so? Is the wind blowing the right way? The right angle?
Like we need to do like a couple stores y'all want to go to.
I feel like it's gonna be really hard to hear because for some reason, what is that?
Windy.
That's not the wind right there. What is that?
that ain't no fucking wind. If that was the wind, I would think
Yes, you do right there. Yes, you do right there.
Real
Yes,
pocket.
it is.
Bro, this is not a real pocket.
Thank you.
Bro.
where are we going to?
They're gonna kick us out as soon as they see us. Like, I forgot we're walking in public with handcuffs.
Y'all, I need to pee. What are we gonna do about that?
Oh wow.
I need
You
a
better use the beach. The beach.
The family restroom and have Fred hanging outside the door.
Try to walk.
I really
Okay,
need to.
so guys, we're here at International Mall. Wait, Fred.
I can't see your head.
This really is. I feel so bad for you, Leo.
Wait, we gotta pause this video for a second, cause. All right, guys. So we didn't want to give up on the challenge. Wait, can you see? we didn't want to give up on the challenge, but the girls gave up. They went to the bathroom, so we had to put them on ourselves. 24 hours. Let's do it. You want to run my channel or your channel? Right. This actually feels awkward, bro. Wait, how are we gonna eat? What do we eat? Wait, how can you eat? You can't even reach your mouth. Wait, this one is probably so awkward. Wait, let me get you. There we go. Damn. Alright, now you cheated, Jit.
So mine came off, so you didn't even wipe the camera, my boy.
I don't know, bro. I was struggling.
Mine came off. I didn't cheat. And I had to go to the bathroom. Bro, we haven't even been here for 5 minutes. Show you how to use the bathroom.
I already had to use the
And you know, if one girl got to go, they all got to go.
Like, it's like a thing they got. It's like they're synchronized. Like, if one girl got to use the bathroom, then all of them do. Like, oh, girl, I got to use too.
What? Imagine everybody in the mall just got up. Girl, I got to go.
I'm doing handcuffs right now, and everybody just probably looking like, the fuck? It's so loud in here, too, bro. Oh, do the thing. Do the thing while we're waiting.
Oh, yeah. Saying do it before, you feel me? If you haven't already, before this video gets like really, you know, lit, whatever y'all want to call it, go ahead and get this video a thumbs up, comment down below, turn on post notifications so you get notified whenever they drop a banger, you feel me? I don't know what else to tell y'all. I mean, that's really
Like,
it.
comment, subscribe, the basics, you know.
Yeah.
Sum it up. Let's get in the video. I guess we'll start it when the girls come out. Cover.
It feel weird like that. We're gonna go to like a box.
All right, we're gonna
You guys
order a
speak
drink.
loud.
We're gonna order a drink
You
because
gotta speak
I'm
louder than me.
thirsty. You speak for me then. Yeah, all right.
You gotta yell
No,
so everybody can hear you.
I'm not yelling.
Where you ordering a drink from?
Alright, so I know where to go.
You know how the did you get that?
I think so.
You know how the Chinese spots they have like big cups? Come here, partner. Yeah, I'm just gonna fuck with you right now.
You know I could just like
Go ahead, do it.
So hard.
Do it.
That was gonna
Do
break.
it. Yank it.
That
Yank
was
it.
gonna break.
Yank it. I want you to yank it.
I tell you.
Watch out. Yes.
Yeah, how do cameramen on YouTube be following people like this? Do they like just watch behind them? Maybe people look out for them. Like when you're walking back, people just like. I mean, you. Wait, think about it. Because they don't even all have a cameraman, but they be in front of them. So like when people just see them with a camera and move out of the way. Ain't no work. Because how you walk backwards? Wow, that's
already
really hard to do.
What?
Sorry guys, I need to re-up.
Re-up on what? What the hell?
He trying to hurt me on purpose.
Oh shit, my bad.
This is how we got to do the challenge now. Come on. That hurt.
Now I'm gonna start dragging your
How did I
arms
do
and
that?
stuff on purpose.
There we go.
I'm gonna start hurting.
You got to remember, so all the supporters buy shoes or shit.
Janae introduced me to this spot right here. It's called, I don't know what it's called, but it's good.
Name's right there.
No, it's called something else, right?
No, that's the name. Fits on it.
The name using this spot. I don't know the name.
It's literally right there, bro.
Wow, that's weird. No, that's a weird
say
spot.
That's a awesome outfit.
Y'all, we gonna take that.
Imagine we just let you run into
What store are we going to?
We gotta go in VS definitely.
I want to go to Victoria's Secret.
Why?
They wouldn't know. They wouldn't
You
understand.
look like pale. Not pale, but like.
Let's go down the stairs.
Go down the stairs?
Yeah,
Alright. So we're going down the stairs and stairs, right?
I'm going down them right now.
Hey, let's just jump. They can go downstairs and get jumped.
She's metaphorically going down the stairs. Oh, you want to jump?
Yeah.
Bet, say that.
But you go first. Well, I'm gonna let it go. Then you jump, and then once I see you made it safe, I'm gonna jump.
Trying to get like people's reactions too when they walk by. Ow! Ow!
Why did you do that?
I don't know.
Remind me of Michael Kors style.
What?
Right?
Who? Oh, like Mr. Beast?
That one right there. I see it. He's going to buy it.
Wrong YouTuber. Mr. Beast got you though.
Who the fuck?
Mr. Beast?
Yeah, cameramen are really talented, bro.
That's what I'm trying to say. Because I don't know how they do it.
You have the potential.
Alright, let's do something. Let's do something. We gotta hold our hands above our head for 30 seconds or something.
Alright, let's do it. Alright.
Y'all should play.
It's too boring.
Y'all should
Yeah.
play
Let's handcuff on the
Twister.
opposite hands.
Twister and Handcuff.
Let's wait. Let's do
Okay,
that.
so the first challenge we're gonna do is handcuff each other on
On the
opposite
opposite
hands.
hand.
So we're gonna switch hands. For how long?
This one, and then you're doing the other one.
How long?
For,
And I'm not left-handed, so
It's easier for me now.
are you left-handed?
yeah, I'm left-handed.
Really?
Yeah.
What?
Really?
Well, that's why you act like that. When people try to make everything something it's not.
You know, I said I don't know my ref from my light. And then I said
You
on
don't know
the,
your
on
referee
the
from your
Bailey
light?
Daces.
Oh my god.
No, you have to stand where you were standing.
Yeah, what?
Yeah, that's the
Why
challenge.
would we do it like
Oh,
that?
wait, that's a challenge?
Yes, you have to stand where you were
Alright, come on.
standing.
There
It
we
looks
go.
dumb.
You
That's
ain't
the
tell me.
I'm crying.
It's not that hard, bro.
It's not. But it will be going down the stairs.
The stairs.
Yeah.
Oh, imagine
Oh, we gotta go down the stairs like this?
Yes. Now I'm gonna drink my drink with this hand.
You look like uncomfortable No one's gonna hit. No one's gonna run into you, bro. Who would see you and be like, oh, I'm gonna run into?
And then I gotta be messiness.
Huh?
Her breath is just like.
Right, there's like so much noise in here.
Down the stairs.
Yeah, we can.
She can.
She gotta go down there before us then.
Backwards.
No, just go down there and then come back. You gotta mix it up. You gotta put one under here. And then
Oh, ouch.
You don't fall when you're watching.
So here's the plan. I'm gonna fall, and he's gonna fall with me, and
Huh?
we're gonna fall together.
Wait.
She don't get.
Wait,
Let's go.
you're cheating.
no, I'm
Your arm
not.
goes in front, down.
Cause it's people.
It doesn't matter. You're cheating. Ow, mother.
That's what you get. Wow.
Okay, we need to switch it up.
Let's go.
Because when it's down here, people don't. Not everybody notice. But if you put your hands up with handcuff, everyone's gonna see it. Y'all down? Wait. We switch your arms back, right? Isn't the other challenge over? We switch your arms back? Let's go.
We didn't do enough for that one. We should do it like
No, that's.
this.
Yeah.
All right. So where are we going? All the way to Victoria's Secret?
Yeah.
All the way to Victoria's Secret? It's like you're walking. All right.
No, you come back on this side. But
It gotta
keep
be
your-
awkward. Like, it gotta be the other side.
Wait, which way were you?
No, it was like that.
Your hand should be like this. Yeah, see, switch.
That's why I said it was fine the way it was.
Wait, it's completely wrong?
No. It was this hand connected to this
Nigga,
arm.
look. Who? Kid dying.
Bro, y'all.
I can just do this. It's easy.
And Frank, I cannot be doing all the support right now. This nigga's chilling. I'm carrying all his weight.
Yeah, my sister-
Oh my God, protein
My what you call it hurt.
Where? Where? I need my protein for the day. Did I take my daily intake?
Y'all walking a little too fast for
I'm
me.
trying to make sure.
I'm
Yeah,
not
we gotta
gonna
walk
lie.
slow because she gotta walk backwards.
Lilo gonna have some buff ass legs after this.
Not for real. This my leg day.
I'm sorry, Angela.
You would say, we can
Look at y'all cheating. Why y'all arms
No,
low?
I don't want to you. I want to do that.
My hand is up.
No, it's not, Fred.
Yes, it is.
I feel like
Oh, so it's y'all.
Sorry.
You said those are cute?
Huh?
I just
Now, did you get some new fits?
I was just gonna go on Shein today, I swear. But then it was like I gotta come, so I couldn't do that.
Yeah, tonight.
No, definitely for sure because we do. We're running out of options here, guys.
Yeah. We're not
We're
even
running out of
matching
options.
today, y'all. That's
Not even
how that's fake it is.
Wait,
To the
now-
T.
Now you want to edit this one?
Yeah.
I'm already doing the drunk
It's
one,
gonna be a
and
little
then
crazy.
Yeah, I'm
I'll
gonna
do
edit
story
this.
time.
Yeah. They got some explaining to
Because
do.
I be in there all the time.
I mean, I've been here before.
They be buying each other stuff all the
We're all
time.
less. We're all
I'm
less.
just mad because we didn't buy you shit.
Y'all gave up on the
Hey,
Yeah,
that's
who
why
gave
I
up on the
didn't buy me
challenge?
something.
Oh, wait, we lost the challenge.
Oh
No,
shit.
look, what if
been
somebody
lost.
trying to like lower us? Like,
It was never up.
I forgot. Oh my
So
God.
if this
bro.
is down, what is this? That's still up.
No, it's
This is
not.
not all the way there.
That's not down. That's.
All right, when we get in here, we can put it. When we get in here, we put our
This
arms
is
down.
down.
When you get here, I'm putting my arm down.
Put your arm up.
Bro. We almost there, bro.
It's right here.
How do you know from the victory?
Ow! Wait, hold on. Woo!
Alright, we here.
Ooh, I might actually just get me something. See, if I had a boyfriend, he would be lucky.
Will you switch? Yes. We're done. We're done with that challenge. I'm done.
So guys, it's blue ski and green ski again. Everything you guys have been asking for. We're currently doing it. Did you miss me? Do you miss me? Oh, look at him, guys. He still loves me. I knew it.
Wait, let me get in front of y'all.
So what do you buy me? You.
Y'all buying her something?
No, you.
Y'all buying her something?
Him. What are you buying me? Come on, take me to where you're gonna put it.
Whatever your wallet can afford.
Nope. How about, ooh, workout clothes. Oh, wait, hold on. I might just leave one of those songs. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, I might just.
Buy something.
That
Look
is
at this.
adorable. No lie. No, actually, for real. This is, ooh.
And fall
Do this
coming
shit.
up.
Look
Fall
how,
already here, really. Yes.
oh my God. That's
perfect.
so good.
You should wait till summer to wear it.
I feel like, okay, I have enough workout clothes, but honestly, I don't know. Maybe I'm just trying to be bougie and cheap the metals. That's cute right there. That looks cute. Let me not, y'all. Let me not do that.
Let her not.
Are you gonna buy me something?
Let her not.
Do you want them? Oh, you know I get my braces off on the 28th.
Like a whole year.
A whole year? I had mine for 3 years. When you get yours off? How long you gotta wear? A year and a half. A year and a half? Damn. They made me wear mine for 3 years. Really?
3?
I must have had an alligator mouth or something.
Imagine. 3 years?
When I was 17 and I'm 20. Wow. Honestly, guys, it doesn't look like we're gonna buy anything, so maybe let's head over to Zach and Janae.
Same thing as that though.
This one's that's weird. That's
It's
ugly.
lame, but I don't like this part.
But if it was
Black and white on it.
what's
ugly as
going
fuck.
on, guys? How's the challenge going? I'm having him choose one thing that, or one outfit in the store, but he just choosing ugly stuff.
Ow, this is not ugly.
I actually was looking at that.
It's
It's that. No, I said this. Wait.
No, I'm choosing ugly. You pick this.
These
This
ones
shit.
is. This
That's
one.
ugly.
I said this one is.
Everyone
it's
comment right now.
kinda cute.
Tell her this is ugly.
I
This is
don't.
very
Wait.
ugly.
Let me tell you what I don't like about it first.
The black and the
I don't
white.
like this right here, up here, and
don't like
where
none
do you
of
see
this.
white? This is pink.
This is not white right here.
That's pink. Anyways, this is ugly. That's it. Find something else. Look, what about this one? Regular bra, same color. You turn your neck this way. Right here.
Yes.
Guys. I could be a nurse. Or no, not a nurse. What is this? A maid.
So you can clean the house up.
Let's go ahead and put it back.
Ow, bro. Where did they go?
They went to find something?
They went to live their lives.
Yeah. Did they find something? No. No.
Where they even at?
Right there. I want some lotion.
Some
Let's see
lotion.
what lotions and perfumes they got up in here.
Not enough.
I need to show you my favorite ones. Wait, let me smell this. Let me get my arm. Give me my arm. Wow. That was stank. God damn. You saw that?
We don't have no
Y'all figure
smell.
that out. I'm gonna check in with Naya and Fred.
It's orange.
God,
Oh, wait.
Lilo, do you think this is cute?
Yeah. Yeah. I actually do. It's like classy, simple. I know, right? I just goes with everything. Facts. I wish it had a fucking.
A blue one? Yeah, that'd be fun.
You're so funny. You're so funny.
Very.
Oh, hold on, come here. I do this.
Oh, damn. Never mind, y'all.
This shit is not gonna happen. Not today. It's not giving what it's
It's
supposed
only
to give.
$50.
Not
You
giving.
just buy it.
I might just do this one. Heavy bougie so bad.
Are you trying to steal out of?
Wow, you're so funny. Yes, I am. No, I'm just kidding. I'm not. Sorry, guys. Ooh, is this a keychain? Can it be? Really could, no, for real. Oh, look at these, y'all. These are cute. That's cute, but like, what the fuck am I going Facts. And it's the same price. It's the same price as this, so facts. Look at this. That's cute. But again, what the fuck is going in? You're right. You know why I like this one? Because I could just put my license right there.
Yes.
Just like how it's right here, guys. Look at my license. Damn. Okay. I guess I'm gonna buy this, y'all. Right?
Where's
You're
your
gonna
wallet?
buy it for me.
Where's your wallet?
I'm buying it right now.
No, you're right.
No. I'm buying it because I don't have the wallet.
Surely
I'm
you come
already.
to one out.
I'm already.
They wallet with no money.
I'm already.
I don't think I can do it
You know
anymore.
what? I seen it.
Say-
They only doing it today. No copyright.
Yeah.
She right.
Actually, you did. Why not?
I was just
Just
trying
what?
to
Right?
get to know.
Damn, how much is
Damn, he
that?
got a point too.
How much is it? 30.
All right, what's next on the map?
Watch out, man.
Well, guys, we didn't buy nothing.
Oh, look at Janae. We was talking about the beads and shit.
Yeah, I remember, and I spent $40 on this
Oh.
exact place.
Oh.
And they scammed me because I got it from another
Where I went to Reebok Rocks, I got new ones. Only $5, $6, literally.
Yeah, I need to go get some. I lost mine.
Break your fucking nail and try it.
Honestly, I was just recording.
What do you think? We just looking. Appreciate it. Oh, look, they got them.
Those fun.
The black one.
Yeah, and black would be fun, but I don't like
You see these? In black though, like the black Converse.
That's not ugly. That's fun, right?
I'm gonna get them. Oh look, they're right here. This is the ones I want.
That's
Oh my
that's
god, these
nice.
bitches look so hard, bro.
How much are
I
they?
didn't even know they had them here.
I like the brown ones.
That's not bad.
How much are they?
Yeah, these are not all. I don't think
How
all
much are
black. They would make hella money if they did that though.
They're 120. Sorry, baby.
That's not that bad.
That's not that bad. I need some.
Y'all, we cheating. They can't cheat like us. They don't hurt us at all, but them on the other hand, losers.
Oh, so this one got
A little bit taller.
I think I want these instead. Instead of the laces? I don't know. I don't know how I feel about them yet.
Like, everything went up now. Because these used to be, no, it was the regular ones. Because these got, what you
139.
call it.
I think that's
These
lower than how much
200.
those cost. Don't let's be like 150. That's not my fault. He's talking up here right now.
These, what you think? Like, I hate when he do this. Why he
What?
got the shit? Why he turned it up the wrong way and all the other ones looking all nice?
Put it back.
Ugly. Oh, look. This with this. That's some tights.
Yeah, now I gotta get a fit. I'm gonna get red. We're just looking.
Or actually, would I be able to try one? Yeah, is that a 7 inch? No, I need a 7.5 or 8. Yeah, they don't do half sizes, so either 7 or 8. Okay, 8. You didn't find anything? I wanted to grab her and take her to where I need to go.
You can literally pick up the shoe and
She added that.
You wanna get her and take her to
She
the
added that. Yeah.
What's she snot on you for real?
None of that
For the challenge, you gotta keep the handcuffs on. The friends over there get like backlash from it.
Look up. Okay.
Maybe I should get a pair of them for the Matrix shit.
Oh Lord, these shits look like fucking boat. I hate when. You can still grab the shoe. Oh yeah.
Bro, what's good?
I can't stand when shoes like look like this.
Why did you give me this?
Hold it for me.
You don't even need to have socks on. Them look like Coraline boots.
Like, I don't like.
Like you about to go in the rain for a. They fire though. You gotta get them smaller. Are they too big?
No.
Oh.
They fit, but they just.
I want a pair of these.
They look like those. Kill Mario. Wanna kill Have you seen
I need a
what's
pair
that
of these.
movie?
So I can step on people's head.
Have y'all seen Scary Movie? Yeah. You know,
Go to the bottom of this.
You know from when they was in a house with.
Yeah.
Yeah. When they was in a house with like I think Snoop
Ooh,
Dogg.
get away from me.
It was like they had to go down to the attic. Sorry. Do you know what I'm talking about? Wait, no. What did you say? My ADHD is so bad, y'all. I don't know which one it was. I think it was the first one with the talking bird.
What are you talking about?
Talking bird. Okay, so yeah, I remember that part. It was like, and he was like, the mama. No, they look like boats. Boats. You want to try on this, Evan? Those fit. It just I don't like how they fit. Like I don't like how they look. I mean, I don't want to walk around with them. I really want some workout shoes. No, I'm talking about. Because if you seen, it was like 3 of them. And it was like. Right. I'm trying to get things on sale, but everything is not my size.
So you got the ultimate box pack?
$19.35.
Dang, you got the ultimate box pack. What's it?
And the card reader is way over here.
Oh, sorry.
Pay attention, please.
I need to go to my bank and get a tap on my card.
Awesome.
What are you doing, y'all?
I don't know, bro. What do y'all want to do? Alright, guys. So, we're leaving the mall because it got boring.
Yeah, it got boring. We're leaving.
So, where are we going now? We're going to Walmart because I got to go get some steel-toe boots. Hey, that's not how cowboys wear. I'm a construction worker now. I got a new gig, bro. I'm a construction worker mechanic. I work on a construction worker mechanic. Mechanisms, I mean. Mechanisms. Mechanisms. Man.
Other way.
Guys, we're at our next location. Going to do some more.
Boring stuff because we're boring people.
Well,
I actually have some really surprising news for you guys. I need to use the bathroom again, but this time he's coming with me.
Every time we use the bathroom, it takes 30 minutes out of our day. 40 minutes. 40. Yeah.
I like to drink liquids at all times. It's
You didn't even drink nothing. Oh,
yes, I did.
You drank that whole cup. No wonder you got the piss.
I know.
What are we gonna
Yeah, you drink that fast too.
I know.
All right, so we're looking for glasses, guys. We're looking for a specific type of glasses. Where? Oh, those are definitely not it.
Those, they probably, where's the jewelry?
Yeah, where those?
Yeah, that's where it usually. Oh, sorry. Usually where the glasses are.
Y'all, we should carve pumpkins sometime.
Oh yeah, like redo it. We did it last year.
That was actually fun.
It was. Are you forgetting there's a whole camera?
Oh, hey.
Put those on our head.
Oh,
Let's
wow.
get these so we can put them on
Didn't
our
see
head.
you there. You really got me on that one.
Right here, y'all.
Right there.
All you hear is.
Okay, they have them, but they have the sunglass version. I need these.
Oh, you talking about? Oh, we should do the what you call it.
Oh, here they
Y'all
go.
seen the part from like when have y'all seen the Jeffrey Dahmer series? Yeah, but well, I'm still finishing. Remember when he was like?
They look like these, but they're like clear.
Yeah, and he was sitting there like this.
Wait.
He was like a whole GTA character. He was like, that's what we should do. We should just like, that would go crazy. It's like the baby song where they put over it and we just like, with the glasses on.
These are my favorite. I mean, these right here are like my favorite.
Yeah, that one.
You talking about practice? I can't find them, bro. I need them, bro. Just kidding, cut that
Oh
out.
my God. I'm giving police, I'm giving Mrs. Officer.
They don't have them. Oh.
Wait, what kind of glasses did they look at me? Oh, you want it clear?
Yeah.
Oh, then we need to go to the see-through section. The see-through glasses.
But no, who buying these? Not me. Oh, you snap. All right, bet. Let me see. I need my phone for this TikTok. Quite literally.
Quite literally
yeah.
snapped.
All right, guys. Where else we going though? What else we doing? Oh, we have to go look for boots. Actually, let's do the boots real quick.
I really like sunglasses that look like this, just natural. Oh hell no, never mind, y'all. That shit was ass.
Guys, we're still handcuffed. It's getting really,
late.
yeah, it's getting tiring. I'm tired, bro. Like this is tiring.
I'm tired.
So is this a fail?
No, yeah,
Oh, it's
nah.
not fail. This video finna snap.
No, I'm saying our challenge.
Oh, our challenge? Yeah.
Yeah.
Next time we do it, we're gonna do better. Like we're gonna do like plan challenges out for.
Oh my God, what if I did Poppy a lobster?
That would be cute as fuck.
I was gonna do him a little mean, but you ain't helped me, Lilo.
If you gonna do him a
I know,
lobster,
bro.
you
We
need
got
to
too
make
high.
you need to
I'm not
make
gonna lie.
Luna a bowl,
It's too
like
fucked up
a
at the end
pot.
of the night. Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, put him in a pot.
We can match each other. A pot with a lobster. That's what I'm saying. A pot with a lobster.
And I'm pretty
You're
sure,
gonna be
I
a
swear to
lobster?
God, I seen a crab. A
You
crab
said so
on
you can
Shein.
match with him?
Yeah, so Luna can match
I'm
with
gonna
Poppy.
get,
Oh.
no, I'm gonna get Luna because they had a crab on Shein. I'm
Uh-huh.
gonna get her a crab and he a lobster.
That
and
would
I'm
be
still
so
getting bowl to
cute.
put both of them in, like a
dump out that
seafood boil.
That would be so
And
cute.
then you put.
Imagine if you had a third dog. It could have been the sausage or the corn or
Put
something.
fish.
Chihuahua.
Oh yeah, I'll bring my dog over.
A wiener or a wiener dog could have been the sausage.
The sausage.
Yeah. I know y'all be walking fast. I got a little leg.
Everybody give Lilo credit
Got
for
little legs.
Everybody give her extra credit.
Yeah. Her right
Oh.
here that y'all can't see.
Dedication,
Over here.
dedication, determination.
You think they'll know if they're still boots? Like if I buy regular boots, you think they're gonna sit there and check my boots?
It should stay on the box. If
No, I don't want to buy expensive boots because I'm only working here for a little bit.
Oh, okay. I mean, shit. I don't know to be honest.
SpongeBob shoes.
Thank
They're
you.
not that expensive, Loki.
Afraid he'll get away or he's afraid he'll get away? A little bit of both,
Yeah.
probably.
Thank you.
They're looking not that expensive.
She wanted to see the skeleton.
Look.
And they got your size in these.
I just don't. I'm not gonna wear these for real.
All right, so
Get
keep the
these
receipt like you said in the return
You're right.
mode.
You're right.
They don't They don't got no black ones because if they got some scuff and shit and trash, you can't bring them back.
I think the black ones, these are
See,
37.
so I'm like I said, we gonna rock with the $25, and you
But
get
they
more
don't got
bang
your
for your.
size.
I wear 11 and a half.
Exactly.
Fuck, man.
Wait.
Oh, 11. Yeah, 11.
Can you do a little try on?
Guys, this is the new drip. If you're not on the wave, then you're late. This is what we wear now. 2023 coming up. We wear steel toe boots.
Oh my goodness, them things.
That was close enough.
They won't know. They're gonna know. Yeah.
They're gonna
Honestly, I could
know.
rock with a 10.5.
They're gonna know.
Yeah.
How would they know?
All right, 10.
Try 10.5, because you don't know if you got jump or whatever this is.
Guys, for the people that don't know, I'm about to be a trash man for a little bit. I'll be making TikToks and stuff so y'all can see my journey becoming a waste management man. Oh, he's the drip.
They feel better. They
Yeah,
feel
he's
steel
hard.
toe.
Yeah, they feel like steel toe. Still no.
Look, them the drawer. Ouch!
My shoulder. It's like,
He almost took my wrist off.
no. Wait, I have to take this off to show Fred. Ready?
You cheated.
How do I cheat?
You cheated. He just cheated.
Oh, I did it. These bitches thick.
They thick. That didn't hurt. You kind of did it on the tip.
We're about to wrap this video up. We're about to buy these boots. We have, I promise you, this YouTube video might be boring this time, or I don't think it's boring actually. I still
it's
think
not. It's just random as fuck.
it's just random. We got a lot of random clips. I don't know. I'm out of breath from a toast man.
Bro, just imagine
But-
if a roach was in a corner. I'm like,
You getting in? You ain't stop. You getting in? Wait, do it in the corner. You gotta show it. Wait, do it in the corner. Right here, right here, right here.
oh, right here.
Look, so say the roach. Say the roach right there, and you just put.
Again?
Oh yeah, this is where. Oh, if y'all want all the people that noticed that we're matching dunks, this is how we got
This is
them.
how we got them.
We literally got these and we just glued the Nike check on.
Yes, sir.
See?
See, you can't even tell the difference. Look,
Took that
It
in.
saves
took
money,
that
live
in.
better Walmart.
save money, look better. They look like a broke bum.
They even got the blue ones.
Y'all capping right now.
All right, but look, let's wrap the video up for real.
Oh yeah. If you made it this far in the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe on the video. Don't forget to get this to 400 comments and 5,000 likes if you want another one.
And I'm pretty sure this video shows that we still fuck with Blueski. Everyone knows this. You feel me? Obviously. We thought, well, me and Fred thought it would be cool to come back for a little bit and give y'all, I guess, what y'all want. And all the Huskies, thank all the other Huskies too, because we all did this together, head ass.
We all
But I don't know, bro. Get this video some crazy likes. Maybe Blueski might want to come back for a video or two. You never know, bro. You never know. So,
We need to see the energy.
yeah, we need to see the energy because y'all say I miss Blueski, I miss this person, but you never really show it. You never really show that y'all want it.
and we just walk off.
Yeah, you just walk
Yeah,
off.
bye.
Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.
Bye.
I'm done talking.
Oh my goodness.
Nah, for real though, like, let's end the video.